Okay, hold on, honey. She got her keys on the car so she could put both hands on the steering wheel. Look at this girl go. Look at this girl go. Look at her plowing through. Good job, Riley. Look at you. Yeah. Want to turn around? Let's turn around. Let's go this way. Okay, we want to go this way? Okay, here we go. There goes Riley. Walking all by herself. Look at that girl go. Look at her go. Falls down, gets right back up. Here, let's go this way, sweetie. Riley, you're so big. Mommy, smile. Here, let's walk this way. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. She's got her keys on there. You need some help? There we go. Haven't quite figured out how to turn yet. But that's okay. You can do it. Here we go. Look at this girl go. Look at her go. Riley, you're so big. Here. Oops. Uh-oh. Good job, Riley. Good job, honey. We made it all the way around. Yeah, we made it. Now you can park your car and take your keys out. There you go. There you go. Take your keys out. There, you can get your keys. Good job, honey. Good job.